Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find H&M promo code. It's pretty simple, but make sure to watch this video until the end, do not get confused, and also hit the subscribe to our channel One to Step for future promo code related videos just like this. First step, want to search for coupon follow just like this. Once you search for coupon follow, first option over here, click on it and it's going to take you to the official website of coupon follow, which is couponfollow.com. Once you're in this website, at the top right you can see the search bar. You want to click on it and write H&M over here. Once you search for H&M, click on the option where it says H&M.com and it's going to show you all the promo codes available for H&M. So from all of this, choose the one which you like. Let's say I like this save 15% one. I could just click on get 15% off right beside it and then it's going to show me the code. Now I could just copy this code and paste it on H&M's website during checkout time to apply it and get the 15% off on my purchase. So that's how you guys can find H&M promo codes. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.